Introduce highlight features and overview summary of 2021 newest Campark X40 vlogging camera 4K 20 megapixel action camera. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features overview summary are included. Campark X40 with advanced dual color screens design, you can switch between front and back screen. The vivid front screen is designed for your selfies need and 2-inch back touch screen makes it easy to operation. Campark X40 are professional 4K 30 fps and 20 megapixels photos plus the improved Six-Axis Eis. This Campark 4K action camera take hyper quality videos and incredible photos, greatly boosting the stability and fluency when recording fast-moving objects. Campark X40 connect to your phone via Wi-Fi and app. You can view real-time video and download videos to your phone, and share it to social media. 2.4 GHz wireless remote control can easily control the camera to start and stop recording. Campark X40 newest underwater camera is weatherproof with its waterproof case and powerful in all the filming scenarios, providing you a great vlogging experience. Campark X40 powerful features like 8x slow video, loop video, lapse video, auto photo, burst photo, and timer mode, selfie, help you create your footage beyond imagination. The included 2 batteries and multifunctional mounting kits help you expand your usage scenarios. Most accessories are compatible with GoPro camera. Campark provides a variety of high-quality sports action cameras for outdoor enthusiasts. The newest Campark dual-screen action camera X40 is not only equipped with normal features like touchscreen, EIS, remote control, and 40 meters waterproof case, but also has a front color screen which is designed to satisfy your selfie needs. Campark X40 action camera is a good alternative for GoPros. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.